So during our last session, we went over the place value with decimals, and standard form, and written form, and expanded form. Okay, but I feel like we need more practice in that because you've been getting confused. We did really, really well for a while, and now we're getting confused. So we're gonna try to clear things up by using the place value mat that we used a long time ago, and that seemed to clear things up for you. Okay. I'm gonna write a number down. I'm gonna write it in standard form for you. Okay. It's gonna be very similar to what we've been going over. Okay.
Expanded form.
So I gave it to you in standard form. I want you to write it in expanded form and in word form. And if you need to use this, go right ahead. And remember, I put that word bank on the board for you to help in your when you write in word form. Okay. So it looks like we are confused with what happens after the decimal place if I do not do this for you. Do you remember that now? Okay, why don't you go back and make those changes to your number in expanded form. Go back and make those changes where you think they need to go. Can I help you? Let's see. This says 5/10. Is that correct?
Oh no.
Okay. This says 50. Is that correct? Is that 50? This is another place value that was not on the original chart. This is thousandths here. Okay? So be sure to include it. Look at the standard form and figure out what to do. Is there any, look at here, is there anything in the tenths place? Actually, underline the digit that's in the tenths place. Not there, in the standard form. Tenths place. Which one's in the tenths place? This is the hundredths place. Yes, that's in the tenths place.
Oh.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead and try that again. If there's nothing there, what do you do?
Leave it blank.
Well, you can leave it blank or you can write 0. It's fine. Whatever helps you remember. Okay, we're good now? So if you wrote it in the place value chart, can you hold it down so I can erase it? Okay. You would just do this. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to erase this so you have more room to write it in word form. Before you write it in word form, read it out loud. Read this number out loud.
309 and 58 thousandths.
Perfect. Now write that in word form. For your nose. Are we done? 358.
Oh.
Read this to me.
309 and 58 thousandths.
Okay, read this to me.
350. Oh. 58.
What? Hold on. Read this again.
309.
How about not saying 309? That's a bad habit that we always get into.
309.
Don't say and. 309. Say it again.
309.
Say 309. Say it.
309
309.
and 58 thousandths.
Okay, what did you write?
350.
No, you wrote 358 thousandths. What did you leave out?
The 9.
The 9. So you can leave 8 in there. 58 thousandths was correct.
It's going to change the 9.
Now what do you have to do? No, you don't have to change that. Look, 300
And
what comes before the and?
9.
The 9. Before the and. Look where you're writing it. All right, let's try it again. Read this.
300 and 300. It's confusing.
Okay.
300 and
Look. I'm going to erase this. What do you put in there? Let's see.
309 and 58 thousandths.
Okay, 309 and 58 thousandths. Perfect. Good job. Okay, good job.
Okay, you say?
So that word bank helps you here. Okay. Just a few key math words that are difficult for the ELs to spell. So giving them a word bank is very helpful.